Ang sinabi ng Pangulo natin na hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ito na hindi maibabalik ang pera ng mga kababayan natin. And this is just the beginning.
According to DPWH Secretary Vince Deason, arrest warrants for the Diskaya couple are expected to be issued in the coming days, signaling that accountability will extend far beyond confiscated cars. He emphasized that the pair will face full legal consequences for the corruption schemes tied to their wealth.
At napakaganda nga ng timing nito dahil alam nyo naman, malapit nang lumabas ang unang warrants of arrest galing sa kasong unang-unang final ng ICI at ng DPWH sa Office of the Ombudsman at final na ni Ombudsman Boying nung nakaraang araw. No, so very symbolic itong mga ito, no. First warrants of arrest lalabas na at unang mga pera ng mga kababayan natin